So hello guys, so we'll solve a tricky question today. 1 by t plus square root of t dt integration. So how we'll do this? So first of all what we'll do, we will take 1 by this, we can take a square root t common, and that will be, because square root of t multiplied by square root of t will be t, so from which we'll get the first term correct. And then what we'll do is we will take the square root of t common, so square root of t will be outside and remaining will be 1, and integration will be as it is, dt will be as it is. Now what we'll do, we will take this square root of t as some other variable. Suppose we'll take here, let v equals to square root of t, and if v equals to square root of t, then what will be your this dv upon dt, derivative of root t with respect to t, and that is equals to 1 by 2 square root of t, from which what we can write, dt is nothing but 2 square root of t dv. So this we can just replace here. If we'll replace here, what we'll get, we can see this is 1 by square root of t will be v, square root of t again is v into v plus 1, and we'll multiply this dt. In place of dt, what we can write, 2 square root of t multiplied by dv integration. But still this dv with respect to v, again we have to put this square root of t as v, means 1 upon v into v plus 1, and 2 will be as it is, square root of t will be again v, and dv integration. This v and this v get cancelled out. Now what we'll take, what we'll get, 2 upon v plus 1, and this is dv integration. We can take the 2 also outside, we'll take 2 outside, and we'll get 1 upon v plus 1 dv, and we know that 1 upon v plus 1 integration will be 2 log v plus 1, and some constant of integration also we can multiply. But the question is given in variable t, so we have to replace this v with variable t again. So if we replace t with variable v with variable t, and we know that v equals to square root of t, as we have taken here v equals to square root of t, we'll just replace it back again with v, and that is equals to log v is square root of t plus 1 plus c. So our final answer is this, that means integration of 1 upon t plus square root of t with respect to t is our final answer is this.